Grilled pork intestines. Ingredients: 300 grams pork intestines, cleaned. 2 tablespoons iodized salt. 4 cups of water. 1 cucumber, sliced into 1" by 1/2" pieces. 4 stalks lemongrass, white parts only, chopped. 1 medium-sized onion. 3 teaspoons turmeric powder, grated. 2½ tablespoons fish sauce. ½ teaspoon pepper, add as needed. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 4 cloves garlic. 1/4 cup spice paste, fried in a little oil until aromatic. 1/4 cup water. 1/4 cup peanut butter. Directions: alternately flush intestines with running water and squeezing water out. Repeat several times until water coming out runs clear. In a pot, mix salt with water and boil cleaned intestines until tender. Put all the spice paste ingredients in a food processor and whiz until it forms a paste. Set aside 1/4 cup of the mixture for the sauce. When tender, mix intestines with the spice paste and marinate for 20 minutes or more. To make the peanut sauce, take the 1/4 cup spice paste and lightly fry until fragrant. Mix in water and peanut butter. Set aside. Grill intestines over hot coals until lightly roasted. When done, drizzle with a bit of peanut sauce or serve it on the side.